Previously on Daddy's Little Girl.
So you just gonna eat the cereal so dry?
Mama, I always eat it like this. Why are you bothering me?
Up here, slap me stuck along with every day. Give me a second there. Dave, you see what me I said, Dave? She's so disrespectful. Me can't do it no more. You need to talk to Stacy.
Why talk?
Boy, I tell you, you have no manners.
Are you done? Good morning, Mom.
Oh, you're in a good mood today.
Yep. Hi, Dad.
See you in a good
Morning,
mood.
Princess.
We're almost out of cereal.
Oh, I'll get some later. I went grocery shopping yesterday and to get the cereal. I'll just get some cereal later, Stacy.
I'm gonna need some more money.
You just gave us $60, Stacy. What do you need more money for?
That's not even a lot. That's only like lunch money for 3 days.
Well, I only can give you what I have. I don't have a money tree outside.
Well, Dad can give it to me, right? I gotta go, guys. Bye, Dad. See you later.
Oh my God, what's taking her so long? We might as well leave her.
We're already late.
Later, Princess.
Bye. Have a good day. Be good.
Coming. Hey, guys.
So what? You're not talking to me? What is the teeth for? What kind of childish behavior this? What really wrong with you?
What wrong with me, Dave? Really? When you gonna talk to your daughter? You gonna talk to her? You say you gonna talk to her, but you're not talking to her.
Yeah.
No. You say you gonna talk to her, you're not talking to her. Me not even know if you do it yet. You do it yet?
Yeah, me no. Yeah, me no. Me know that you're vexed
No,
about it.
Dave,
You know what?
no.
Listen. Me know you're vexed about the other day. Me tell you something, I remember what special day, you see?
Yeah, and then you tell me say you're gonna do something for my honeymoon.
No, man, it's not a surprise. That's
What
why
kind
I'm
of
telling you that.
surprise?
Don't worry about it. You know what, my mom got you, right?
No one know what the surprise is, though.
Alright, now I have something for you.
Oh, yeah? You know of it? Oh, no, dear. Me figure work.
No, it's not for you.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. No, already? Already. Why you just kind of weird, see? I got this verse, you know? Yeah.
Hey, Princess. What? Oh, shit. Yeah, I forget to pick up from school. Alright, you know what you do? Make one of your friends them drop her home. Then, me make it up to you later, babe. Alright.
following me. I don't want to talk to you.
Calm down, no man.
No, I don't want to be fucking calm.
Yo, me I say, your mother around this and sleep. Calm down, no man.
I don't give a fuck.
Shh. Yo, oh, you talk to so? I want to you. Calm down.
Don't touch
Yo, me I
me.
say. Listen.
Where were you? Why didn't you answer?
Me that sleep. That's why I'm telling make your friend them drop you home.
But I didn't want them to drop me home. I wanted
Okay,
you.
but
You
today
said you
you're
would.
not-
You told
right,
me you're my
Yo,
princess.
calm down, no, man.
You said I'm your world.
Listen.
So clearly you don't care about your world because you didn't come get me.
Yo, calm down your voice.
When I call you, I want you to answer me.
Me hear you. Me there right now. See? So just relax. You understand me?
I'm relaxed.
You know me, I'll bring you out later.
Well, you asked for money and you still didn't give me any.
Yeah, but you rode so far with your friend them, you know, me never have to give you none, you see?
So, can we go to the mall?
Of course. Anything you want.
So I'm still daddy's little girl?
You know your daddy's little girl, see him.
Yeah. Stacy? You alright?
Yeah, man, we're good, man. Yeah, so like I said, do your homework, yeah?
How that going? You talk to your daughter?
Everything alright, man. I just had something she go to a school and things, so yeah.
But what kind of something she
You
can
know,
go
a
through
teenage
so
phase, them
though?
thing, them, man. You don't know.
That don't normal, it's
Take
alright,
care.
dear.
Me
It's
take care.
alright.
Don't worry about it, man.
It's
Everything
alright.
good.
No.
Me take care of that now.
New chapter. End of story. Let's move on.
This season on the
Hello?
Real Housewives of
Jessica,
What happened now?
me just frustrated. Like, me tired of Stacy. The girl have no manners, a peer attitude she have no behavior.
So what is Dave saying about all this?
Emma said, no, we'll work it out, he will talk to her, but the penny have no manners.
I told you to send it back to Jamaica Jasmine.
That the right door.
So either you're gonna have to talk to her or you're gonna have to send it back to Jamaica because this is like really ruining your marriage.
I'm just lost and confused when it comes to she, you know.
Do you think she's having sex?
We mean have sex? My little pitney have sex?
Yeah.
No, not, me don't know. Me don't know about that one day, you know.
Hey Jasmine, somebody's at the door. I'm gonna have to talk to you later.
Alright.
Okay, bye.